Library management system is a system that used to manage the current data and record of the library. The system helps the librarian to add data into database as the arrival new books, and if the books no longer exist in the library, then the record of the particular book is deleted by admin or librarian. Besides that, the system also provides the librarian to update or edit existing record data in an efficient way that can reduce waste time along the process involved. Okay, then they also can find the book easily by search it according to its year published, and the librarian can track the availability of the book in the library so that the user can search the availability of book and borrow the book from the library, from the system. Okay, based on the activity diagram, there is two user, which is admin and student. Okay, user for admin, both of them need to log in and register the system before use this system. For admin, they can view user, add book, update book, and also delete book. But for student, they also can search book, view available book for them to borrow or read. Okay, then if the book is not available, then the process is end. Then if the book is available, they can borrow the book, then return borrow book, give feedback, then log out to the system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Hazli Natasha. I will show you the demo about the library management system website. So this is the homepage for the library management system. Firstly, the user must choose their role to log into the system either as the user or an admin. If their role is user, they need to sign in using an existing account. The user can log into the system because the account doesn't exist in the database, so it will show the login failed message. So, if the user doesn't have an account yet, they can create a new one by click on sign up here. So just fill in the register form to register. And submit. Okay, so the system will show the message thank you for register and the details. Okay. For that, let me show you the data in the database. So this is the user table. This is the original data from table user before the new data being added. After we refresh the table, the new data for new account of user will be added here. Okay, after done register, we can continue by clicking this login. The system will directly display the user menu page. As you can see here, there are 4 buttons which are view book, return book, search book, and feedback button. If we click view book button is to view all the existing book in the database. As you can see here in book database, okay, this is the data of book in the database. Okay, click the menu to go back to the user menu. Okay, if we click the search book button, the user can search the book according to its year published. For example, I want to search book in 2000. Click the button search and it will show all the book that published in 2000. For another example, I want to search book that published in 2001. Click the button search and it will show the list of book that published in 2001. So click the menu to go back to the user menu, and for the return book button is the page that user can return book that they borrow before the due date. Just fill the ID number and the return date and click the return button, and then it will show the successfully written book. If we go to the database return book table, okay, the data will added in the database. After that, we can click back to continue. If we click the feedback button here, it will jump to the feedback page, which that user need to fill the feedback form. And the user can leave the comment or suggestion about the website. And submit the feedback. Feedback data will show up in the database here. Same as website, time's up. Okay, click back to continue. Okay, that's all for the user functionalities. Okay, they can simply click log out button here and exit from the system. Next, if the role is an admin, they need to log in to access the system functionalities using an existing account in the database here. The system will directly display the admin menu. As you can see here, there are 4 buttons, which are View User button, Update Book, Add Book, and the last one is Delete Book button. For the first one is View User button. This page is for view all the existing users that have been registered into the system. Then we go back to the admin menu. Okay, next is Update Book button. For the Update Book page, we can update and edit the existing data. For example, I want to edit book ID 1001. So first we need to change here to 1001, and then I want to change the price of 50 ringgit to the 50 ringgit and 90 cent. After finish fill the form, just click the submit button and the price will be updated here. The price of the book ID 1001 have been updated into 50 ringgit 90 cent in database. Next, add book. For the add book page is used to add the arrival new books. For example, I want to add one new books that have ID number 222. After fill all the requirements, just click the submit button and the new book details will be listed here. The new book that have been added will automatically enter the database. And for the last one is delete book. Delete book page is to delete the record if the book no longer exists in the library. For example, I want to delete this one, book ID 222. First, I just select the number 222 here and click submit button. So as you can see here, the book ID 222 has been deleted. The details of book ID 222 also will be deleted in the database system. So that's all for the admin requirements. Next, when you click about button, it will jump to the about page here. And then when you click back button, it will go back to the admin menu here. They also can simply click the button logout to exit from the system. That's all from me. Thank you.